Hey, welcome back to another video. I just want to show you how to move those pesky duplicates out of your Excel table data. Let's get into it. Now, I will take you through two quick and simple ways on how to remove duplicates in Excel. Right now, I have two data tables open up, and I'm just going to go and remove the duplicates from this first table. So what I'll do is select anywhere within this table, then I'll go to Data, and in my Data Tools group, I'm going to select this button that says Remove Duplicates. Yes, my data has headers. You can see that my headers are checked, and then I'll press OK. Great. Excel has found 4 duplicate values and removed them. Perfect. So that's one way to remove duplicates. The next way, and this way is more dynamic, is if we use the unique function. Once we do that, we'll select our entire table like that, close bracket, hit enter. Excellent. Now, why I like the unique function is that if I wanted to add more people to this table, it would automatically populate here, and it would automatically cipher between what's unique versus what's not unique. Let's do a quick example. So what I'll do is, let's add a new person. Let's say Sally May. And we'll say Sally May's email is sally@gmail. Let's give her 4. Great. And let's say she is in Florida. And put a random value there. Great. Now you'll see Sally May automatically populated in our table of unique data. And there you have it, folks. That is how you remove duplicates in Excel. See you on the next one.